Hello guys, I'm Astri. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you a daily makeup tutorial that I usually use, like going to the campus or hang out with my friends. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, I use a moisturizer so my skin doesn't dry. Then I apply sunscreen for protection from the sun because I won't be active all day. Next, I use a concealer to cover up the darker spots on my face. I draw my eyebrow using the eyebrow pencil. I fill the bare areas on my eyebrows. Next, I use lipsticks as blush on to look more natural. Then, I use powder, not compact powder. It's light on my face. I apply eyeliner at the end of my eyes so that it looks longer and wider. Next, I use mascara so the eyelashes get closed. Then I use a highlighter to make it look more radiant. Lastly, I use a lipstick. I will do an ombre lips by using this lipstick. Here, it's final. Simple, right? I hope you like this video and see you in my next video. Bye bye.